and winning on penalty kicks 4-2 in tonight's match. The Wyoming Cowgirls.
Yeah, we did. Like, Sarah and I have worked really well over the years together. Like, it comes easy with us. I don't think it's like just a soccer that where we come from. But I've always like had a good connection with her on the field, so it's sort of like easy when it comes down to when we play well together and with the team as well. So I mean, it was easy. It was fun for that. And I guess like second half, it was harder to come out against UNLV. Like they came out hard. Obviously wanted to get back to get the win, but trusting our teammates, and I guess we did it. Like it's a whole team effort, so it was good to get.
Well, I think for our program, I mean, it's huge for our program. You know, one of our senior captains, Liz, said before the game, you know, we've only been in the tournament once where we've won. So just to come here and get another W just shows where this program's headed, and just proud of the girls' effort.
Just talk about the play in the first half. You guys were really strong on the attack. Had several good looks, and then finally Lucy was able to knock one home. You guys seemed like you really kind of controlled the flow in the pitch. Were you happy with the way that went for you?
Yeah, I mean, I think you know, it was kind of a strange game. I mean, both teams seemed to be stronger into the win than with the win. You know, we scored with the win, we scored with the win. You know, and it was kind of a tale of two halves. Probably a just 1-1 game. You know, but the resilience that our team has shown, we've had tons of injuries all season that we've been fighting. Just lots of things we've been fighting, and it just shows how far this program's come, this team has come.
You guys missed out on the tournament last year. Now you guys advanced to the second round. So how good does that feel for you guys to be making that progress after 1 year of missing the tournament?
Yeah, it's great. Obviously, I mean, it just feels good to be there. It feels good to come here, compete with a great showing, see Abby step up and goal, put on a hell of a performance today. I mean, just you know, and she's and she stepped in on Friday for an injury. So just to see the next person step up has really been the motto all season, and it was great to see her do it.